Hi, morning. Good morning, everyone. Guys, if you can hear me, just type yes or good morning. Just type in the comment section so as we engage. I can see we have only 6 people here, so let's wait for more people to join around 20. Then we can start the live stream. Also, meanwhile, you can comment down below any inquiries, any comment about regardless of the analysis. And also, you can type good morning. If you can hear me, just tell me you can hear me. Yes. This guy morning too is said good morning too. Yes, good morning. Sean George is saying leo mkuu si utoe account yangu to 20 to somewhere. Watu waone mkuu. It's very possible. It's very possible. But you know, when it comes to $20 account, it's a very small account. Okay, Michael Mang is saying good morning. Okay, it seems guys you can hear me. So today is a very short one, quick one. Niweke charger kwa laptop. Mpenzi, leo naenda safari. Mpenzi. Hi. So we can start the live stream. So Benedict is saying good morning, Dr. Forex. Poa sana. So guys, mine is a very quick one today. I know you're aware today we have an NFP. And I don't really risk and put my clients or my people who follow me, my mentorship on higher risk when it comes to fundamentals. So I checked throughout the market and then hii safari twende wote. So I'll show you the fundamentals we are having today. Of course, today we are expecting high impact news. And also we are going to go through some pairs. Of course, leo nimechelewa kidogo, but jiji nilikuwa na entry ya order block, but you guys mmejua venye tunafanyanga analysis. So you will see an entry whenever I'm not around, you can take it. So any question? Shout out to Dema Bikers, shout out to Benedetta, shout out to Michael Mwangi. Kuna scammer anatuomba pesa TikTok na account yangu. Yeah, that's a scammer. That's not big. Guys, report your account. Report your account. Don't send money to anybody. Sita ku DM ama nikuuliza ati how is going about enjoying my content. Hapana. My content nakwanga hapa YouTube, nitauliza tu maswali hapa. Daniel, how to flip small account in terms of risk management? Okay. So ukiona mtu ana flip account ya 10 na 20, hapo hakunanga risk management. The only risk management iko kwa flipping account is having a sharp entries, know when to enter a market. The moment you know when to enter the market. Okay, so leo watu join more than 2 minutes na watu wajafika 20 to 13 people. Okay, so we can go directly to sharing the screen. Okay, and also how many people took yesterday's trade? Yesterday I gave 3 trades. I gave let me open my book. Nilikuwa na kwa nyumba jana, sio kitabu kwa nyumba. So we gave USDCHF, we gave GBP JPY and AUD USD. So hapa kwa entries ndio utufunze mkuu. Okay, so the moment utakuwa na join live analysis, utakuwa unajua how to have entries. Like today GG imekuwa na sharp entry and you get flip account. So you go full margin on one position. So if you don't go full margin, you have to lay your orders vizuri. You have to know how to lay your material goal layers vizuri. Entry is important for a small account, very, very, very important, because even if you can account ya $50 na ukuwe na entry mbaya, ita retrace na ikunyonye your account yako. So make sure you have very sharp entries. Ujue tu sahi ndo market inapinduka, like this is the right time to enter the market. If you don't have that concept of knowing that this is a market inataka to change direction from hapa ndo nafanyikia direction, then you have to learn or sharpen your skill. Auzo anasema hello guys, poa sana. Guys, let's hit more than 20 so you can glad to join Dr. Poa sana. If it's your first time to join my live stream, just comment it's my first time there. Let me see. Today do we have new people on my live stream? Those not a lot of people are waiting for NFP. Guys, and if you're prepared to trade the NFP, just tell me you're trading NFP. Up on the comment sections, you can engage before we start the live stream, because I know most of the time, like Square NFP and fundamentals, I do avoid the market na siwapeangi any buyers, so I'll be not side with any side. You can be buy gold, so no one side with that thing. It's the second time. Okay. So I also want to see how many people took yesterday's trades. I know Dan wa laptop hapo hapa. Dan took the trade. I know Simon took the trades. I know Pauline. Na Pauline na commenting hapa. Pauline kama ucommenting kwa nini? Kwa YouTube. Hebu support me by commenting hapa. Unanitext na uje comment hapa. Nani mwingine najua alichukua these trades. A lot of people walikuwa DM. Yeah. So just comment here the moment umeandika hapa hivi glad for GJ jana na ngoja ideas za NFP. Okay. Which hakuna mtu anachukua USDCHF na venye remove hata TP. As well for more people, let's just review yesterday's trades then tulichukua. Ananiambia never force my market. Actually, if you can remember my last words jana, ilikuwa never force the market. Kama hakuna any entry, there's no need of you forcing the market. So just calm down and then unangoja the right opportunity to have your entries. Yeah. Somebody else who took yesterday's trade. I'm waiting for the comment, Bado. This was the entry ya GJ leo. Guys, you can see the screen. Today nimekuwa na hii entry and I want to see on the comment section why was I marking this area? Why was I looking forward for more buys hapa? Let me see on the comment nani anajua mbona natafuta buys hapo. Let me see on the comment how many people. Let me see the comment sections. Guys, can you hear me? Is my internet okay? Mbona si OB good at entry on ya naona kila mtu anasoma ya nimeona hizo comments, sorry. Yeah, order block inverse head and shoulder. I don't see inverse head and shoulder, but I see an order block. This is an order block. That's what we were having this entry. GJ buy because of double bottom. Double bottom. This is not a double bottom. This is an order block. Double bottom ni kama hii. This is what we call a double bottom. OB and I can flag before buying. Yeah, the reason was me marking this area as OB. Na kama tungekuja tungeipata, but imesha move. So let me now talk about those people asking about entries. So entries like now EGJ unaona ni kupana, lakini kama uko na account ya $20 honestly hizi unajua ni buy, but huwezi chukua hapa buy because hiyo account yako ya 20 market case retrace tena hivi kidogo tu kato siku moja imeblow. So the right place for you to have an entry ni sharp hapa hivi mali unajua ni hiyo block. Unachukua sharp entries hapa because of this order block. So this is what we call a sharp entry. The entry hapa na entry hapa ina differ. So mtu akona account kubwa anaweza chukua entry hapa na hold na yake stop loss hapa. Lakini account yako ya 20 by the time inarudi huku you'll utakuwa umeblow. That's why unafaa kuwa unajua the entries for you to have entry for you before taking any trade. So let's go to the next trade we were taking yesterday. So yesterday we were buying GJ na tulikuwa tunabuy wapi? Tulikuwa tuna entry yetu ilikuwa wapi? Entry yetu ilikuwa hapa, the same exact price actually, the same exact ndio ikaform hiyo the block ya. Ilikuwa hii ikapanda all the way na we were targeting this area. TP was hit. We were buying GJ from this point to this area Guzo because of this area and then TP was hit. Again today we are having another re-entry from that area because GJ imeanza kubehave. We remember the guys past week tujakuwa to create GJ because ilikuwa you can clearly see a reversal of a double bottom, a reversal of a head, shoulder and shoulder, and then an order block. So in a fall under what we do normal analysis. But today, let me go directly to what I was talking about. Today we are going to have let me share in kidogo. And then yeah, so I want to see I think we have fundamentals today for us factory. So you find that today I so much bias because of the fundamentals. I know what fundamentals can do. They can take you back home. Today's on this level. Unaweza kosa kusherehekea Christmas because of NFP ya leo. So let's come here. Let's come on Friday. So on Friday, you can see for 30, we have card news and we have USD pairs. And the reason why I don't have much bias is when it's come to checking the NFP, like NFP, I do normally like NFP yenye iko peke yake. And by mean peke yake yenye changanyikana na card news. You see now, we have card news at the same time and we have USD pairs. So I mean leo today I expect panga. I mean I expect the fluctuation of like spike side moja na spike side ingine. So meaning we are going to have both sides. Like I expect market is a move both sides in terms of buying and selling. So this is not like a good NFP for me to trade because we have the CAD news and the USD pairs. So I like the news yenye kama ni NFP hiyo siku inakuja USD peke yake haijakuwa accommodate ama haijakuwa na the card news zinakuja pamoja. So for me these are very not a very okay for me to trade it. So meaning I do really recommend you guys protect your capital and avoid the market. There's no necessary of you trading 5 minutes and end up being blowing your money yenye tumetrade the whole week. Tumekuwa na so much setups, setups za jana na nini throughout the week zimekuwa poa, lakini why do you want to lose your entire money because of a NFP ya maybe 10 minutes and hard work umefanya the whole week. So we go to the reality what we were doing yesterday. So I was talking about like GJ. I was looking forward for mobiles, but this one imetuacha leo because I expected an entry hapa on order block, but leo tumechelewa kuingia. So yesterday we had another pair on USD CHF. Hiyo iliguza hadi TP. Pia GJ iliguza TP na pia USD CHF iliguza TP. Iko wapi? Um, hmm. Iko wapi kwa watch list? And can you hear? This is okay. We have another cell here. Okay, how many people took these USDCHF yesterday? Let me see on the comment section. How many people took USDCHF yesterday? Is my internet okay? Mbona mimi sioni vizuri? Seems my internet haiko okay. Oh. Guys, can you hear me? Kidogo, kidogo, kidogo. Guys, just comment down. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Since my internet is not okay. Okay, now the chats zimekuwa clear, loud and clear. Yeah, my chats hazikuwa clear, but now zinaonekana. So yeah, so if you took this pair, Christina Nyamwa, did you take this USDCHF? We had this entry on USDCHF because of this flag yesterday. You guys now may adapt. I hope now mumejua how we normally do analysis. We were saying this is a flag and looking forward for more sales on USDCHF. Again, coming back again to this here, I see another more flag drop and see another drop there. So coming back today, so I expect more of it. And then we have this order block on daily time frame. As it imekuzwa kweli? Because hata kama hizi sales za daily zinafaa zikuja all the way hadi hapo bado. Okay. How many people took yesterday USDCHF? So for me, USDCHF is bearish. You can see on daily when it's holding below, and then on 4 hours I see a flag. But now, the reason why I'm hesitating to today's entries is because of NFP. The reason why I'm hesitating for maybe taking, because clearly this market is holding below and is getting for more sales, it's because of this NFP and giving any buyers. So I'll just do a recap of what we did yesterday or throughout the week, and just give you a small hint or insight on what is going to happen today. So on today's, I have said that today I expect both sides both side. By both side I mean market and fluctuate on both sides, maybe on buyers and sellers, because we can see we have the currencies and the USD. I don't like the news ya NFP yenye nakujanga with both zenye imekuja imeunganishana hizi zote mbili. So coming back to the market on USDCHF, I expecting more sales on it. And I remember, I hope nobody yesterday was selling GU, because I clearly said the GU in a panda yesterday. GU in panda because we didn't give the GU, but I said GU for me, they are giving more buys. Yeah, you see? And I remember yesterday in Colombia, don't try to, because the USD pair, they're giving me a character of changing, they are giving me a sense of changing character. And also GBP card, I was looking for more buys. Pia, we have been looking, EP and Duncan, nakumbuka kitu tu hapa. We were very much correct. I think it was on Tuesday when walichukua GPP card. Tuesday on Wednesday, ikaspike. I don't know this spike ilitokanga wapi, because this one is what was called manipulated as, but we had a very good entry here. We had a very good entry here. We were looking for more buys. We were very much correct when it comes to these analyses. And again, as it get into our point of interest, because I said G card, I'm looking for kuja wapi. Yeah, I'm looking for this GBP card to come all the way back here. So maybe on next week, because today's on Friday, on next week we are going to have some good entries on this pair. Looking for more buys. Okay, so let's start our analysis from the first one. We got through them, but I don't think today I would advise anybody to take trades. Yesterday also we were looking for a euro card, looking for buyers. These was the entries. Anybody who took this entry, because I remember yesterday talk saying Eurocut to retest and have an entry. Anybody who took Eurocut, let me see in the comment. Because yesterday I said, yesterday Eurocard was here and I said, just have a re-entries once the market retests here. Who took Eurocard? Let me see in the comment section. Kevin Juma said, I took USDCHF. And then I want to see who took Eurocard yesterday. But I don't think you guys you are putting much concentration on Eurocard because we had GG and USDCHF as our A setup. It's okay, but it's okay. So we were much okay when we said more buys on Eurocard. I was the same case. Whenever a market does such thing, let me show you. Our bars are changing automatically. You clearly see this is what we call a reversal structure. A reversal structure of a head and shoulder, which is an inverse, indicating for a reversal. So expect more buys on this. And I remember even the other day, I remember when I was talking about Euro AUD, let me show you. Euro AUD. Can you remember here? I remember even Dan texting me about this pair. Who is still holding who took Euro AUD because they said breakout and then retest and then we continue buying. And then I was saying that okay, we are going to experience a breakout, a retest, and then we continue buying all the way to here. Okay, who also remember Euro AUD? I mean, and this is the reason why. So let me show you. Whenever you see such a market doing such a scenario here, like this is what we call a reversal structure. You can see a head, shoulder, and shoulder. I expect the market to change the structure from bearish to bullish. And coming back to this GBP Euro card is the same thing that is happening. On Euro card is the same thing that is happening. An inverse head and shoulder. So what are we going to experience? We are going to experience a breakout and reaches the same thing we are going to experience. We have seen on AUD Euro AUD. So we are going to experience the same thing, a breakout, because having your buys here, they add no sense. So better you buy up here because it's giving you more confirmation of going long. So what are we going to experience here is a breakout and retest on Eurocard. So just wait for a breakout and retest, and then you can continue going long on this pair. Guys, you're not engaging on the comment section. So if I ask a question, kindly answer me. We break out and then we do a retest, and then we continue buying Eurocard. So that's the view on Eurocard. The same thing I've shown you on Euro AUD. This is the same scenario that was happening here. And I talked about the breakout. So if you took advantage of this breakout and retest, then you are very much okay. So we got to USR. We didn't have any view on USR yesterday. We didn't have any view. The other day, that's when we had these buys and we said, since we can shift our buys from buying to selling in one single day, so you have to give it more time. Okay. So the same thing is happening on the GJs bullish. That's mean like in a Euro JPY, they are going buys. So I don't expect we are buying GJ and then you are selling US JPY and you're going the opposite way of the market. So the same thing on US JPY, more long position, Euro USD. Okay, so there's a very interesting thing that is happening here. This is what we normally talk a red candlestick binded by a green candlestick. These are supply area zones. So these are the ones I normally talk about each and every day. You can clearly see that zone, and you can clearly see this red candlestick is binded by this green candlestick. How do you have a re-entry here? How we normally take a re-entry on such scenarios, waiting for this 4-hour candlestick, which is a green candlestick, to close, and then you can look for an entry here, a long position here. And then once it closes, you can enter and a very tight stop loss below the red candle because the red candle is acting as an order block, meaning we expect a breakout all the way up here, and then we have a retest. So make sure that you just take your TP way here. So that's how we normally trade such a scenario. So this is pure technical. This is not fundamentals. Not that today we have fundamentals, but what I'm doing on the market right now, what I'm doing the analysis is pure technicals. There is nothing like fundamentals. So I'm not considering the NFP. I'm not considering anything. So I'm doing just pure technicals. But that's why I'm telling you today is a very tricky area, but tricky day because of these fundamentals. But these pure technicals on how I do normally analyze my market. So note that you have to wait for the closure of the 4 hours so that it can close with a green candlestick, binding the red candlestick, indicating for mobiles, leaving it as an OB and a stop loss below it. This is one of the strategies that have ever come up since I've been trading forex. Okay, Euro AUD. Those people who did a breakout and test, they're still holding it. Come back to NZD card. NZD card is the one we were looking the other day about. We were looking for breakout retest sales and everything. Okay, so I don't have any view on NZD card, JPY, no GBP AUD. This market has been bullish, and I remember the day when she left us from these areas. Okay, let's see. I hope now we'll be able to be catching good swing trades from maybe, because I think today is on Friday. Today might be the last times we are doing this. Next week we'll be doing more analysis, like more of mentorship and learning, but not talking trade. So next week I'll be coming live, but not trading, but just analyzing the market, checking a few things, but not trading heavily because we are allowing the festive seasons. Okay, it's time to enjoy your money now. And so we will be looking. I still remain with my order block here, still waiting for this market to come back again to this area. Coming back to GBP CHF, I don't think we had a view on GBP CHF. Euro GBP, yes, we had, that's when we had a breakout and retest here, an entry here. I remember tracking this today. Normal, I don't see any other entry there. We had a breakout and retest of Euro GBP. We were looking for, then the market was unable to break a newer low here. Okay, so AUD card. Yesterday we were looking for breakout and retest. Who took AUD card? Because I said also this thing on AUD card. I said that breakout and retest. You see, this is what I was talking yesterday. Breakout and then retest and then drop. The same thing. I hope you are learning something, because right now doesn't necessarily mean that you're taking trades, but you're learning something on how to analyze the market. The same thing that was happening here. Breakout and then retest. You can see. So the TP should be the first low. So when the market breakout, it just TP down there. AUD card, the same thing. Breakout first TP, imeguzwa hapo. So that's how we normally take. So DXL will be weak in the first quarter. Use DCSS and buy. That's the view on fundamentals. I'm not giving any bias on fundamentals because I don't want to risk people's money. And we have been making money. It doesn't mean that now we have to squeeze ourselves to make money today, and we have been making money throughout. So I'm not ready to risk. For me, I don't like stress. So I just trade it simple, very simple, without so much pressure. And the USD, no any buyers. Gold. Let me just come to gold. Okay. So gold has been ranging too much, too much, too much on these areas. And I remember this area we have been having an inverted shoulder. Let me show you this gold. What was the hub? Okay. Where's the other shoulder? I think it's on 4 hours. Mm. The safest place I see for sales on gold. If you're looking forward for sales, just wait for gold sales here. Or which hizo sales na sizioni vizuri. This is the only safest place for sales. And the reason why I have come up with that area is because given the head, shoulders, and then this market coming back again to here. So let me come back again to Anna. But we had a structure. I'm trying to look that structure you are looking for gold. Fundamental drive the markets. Yes, they drive the market, but now I trade technically. I trade technical analysis. So if you want to read with just one movement on the market, now I'll talk about how fundamentals and technicals they do relate. So just stay tuned. By the time I'm doing finalize this analysis, I just tell you I'll talk about fundamentals and technicals, how they normally work. Okay. Honestly, just for me, gold, I don't have any bias on gold. I don't have any bias. There's no need of me giving something that I'm not sure of and I'm not seeing anything on gold. Just leave it. I don't have any bias on gold. And people, let me tell you, there's these people who try to look like they trade gold. Gold is their mighty and everything. And Chinyamaji gold is in our ramba too. They are losing money with gold. I do, for me, I'm on the limelight and people text me. They keep on texting me each and every day about how gold is treating them. And they end up losing money. So as we do trade the currencies, but doesn't mean that we don't make money and we trade the other currencies and we don't mean that we don't make money. We make money and we have very good setups. So doesn't mean that because you're a forex trader, for you to be seen as that superior and as the biggest of forex trader, you have to trade gold. No, no, no. Trade on what is working for you. Okay, come to GU. I said the USD pairs we have fundamentals today. Okay, these are the only structures I'm seeing today. The same thing, flag. I'm seeing more drops on USD because of this flag, and then a stop loss here, short position. You see, this one is giving me a very good structure with a very good risk management, and a stop loss just rare, and an entry here on the top of the flag, and then out target the lower of the 4 hours. Guys, can you hear me? How do you check the time frame for the closure? Just a moment, guys. and then I'll target this area, just remove here, and then target this area on this order block here. So that's the view. Sorry, that's the only view I see currently on USDCHF. Okay, that's the only current view I see on USDCHF. But now this one, and keep it in my mind that you have fundamentals on GJ. I'm looking forward for more buys on GBP JPYs. Looking forward to more GBP JPY because structure-wise is giving me more bullish movement, and the reason why it's giving me more bullish movement is because of you can see a reversal of a double bottom and inverse head and shoulder, and also respecting the order blocks and the inner pattern. So market and I respect the bullish structure sana. AUD I don't have any view on AUD because of those USD pairs. I don't have any pairs in them. AUD I've been looking for sales, and why were you looking for sales here? Because of breakout and retest. Same thing, looking for more sales on this pair. 4 hours, 4 hours. Where are we heading to? Let me see. Looking forward for more sales on this pair. USD card. And I remember yesterday talking about this market is not breaking this area. I remember when I was showing this area. So this is a key thing I was telling you guys to observe. Breakout and retest. These are very key area. That's why I said you can't buy here until the market breakout here. We have a retest and then we continue because you can clearly see the market was unable to break this structure here and then started selling. NAS 100. No buyers. The market is very bullish on Nasdaq. German 40, the same thing. US 30. Same thing, Nasdaq, US 30, they are very bullish. So if you are on Nasdaq, German 40, and just be look for more buys on the stocks index, and then AUDJPY. And why is AUDJPY not buying when we have these JPYs pairs? Okay. I don't have any buyers on AUD, JPY. Come back to Euro, NZD, Novia. Okay, going throughout the list. So you can type which pair you see has a very good potential. And also, let me just comment this. There's someone who's talking about fundamentals that drive the market. So there's these different types of fundamentals. We have these fundamentals. They do. Let me show you. There's these fundamentals, we find them on forest factories. There's these fundamentals, we find them on internet, and that's what we call sentimentals. Sentimentals is like the way you find out Trump is saying he's boosting, like he's supporting Bitcoin and Dogecoin is of crypto. That's when you find that the market is really buying because of those sentimentals, because the sentiment is the overall decision of investors, because Trump is an investor na ako na watu wako na pesa, so they are investors, they are investing on something they believe has got much potential, meaning that sentimentals they will drive the market way high. So hizi fundamentals zingine unazipata kwa forest factory, hizi zina react, unapata zina react in form of very short. Hata kama hizi ni NFP kitoka leo inaweza kuwa bearish, but later alone you'll see the market itarudi reverse. So nobody anaweza ni convince now with the year nimeweka kwa market ati NFP leo ndio ita decide. You know, I do see these people saying NFP, that's what is going to decide how the market is around your day. How many times have we seen NFP buying and the rest of the market inakuja inarudi inashuka ina sell yote? No. So how many times have we seen the market going opposite of what NFP is coming out? How many times have we seen the market going against on what the fundamental CPI is not okanga? But we will never see the market going the overall against what the decision of investors. If to Trump today decide they are buying maybe gold, you never see gold reverse. So you have to know on which fundamentals to focus on. So fundamentals, the key fundamentals are how focus on sentimentals, because sentimentals they drive the market way sana. So ukijua to sentimentals kama size in short, China is going to buy gold in the next 18 months, meaning in the next few months, gold will be bullish. So what are you going to focus on? You're going to focus, let me stop sharing my screen so you can see me talking. And as you can also comment down, I'll read through the comment. You can just unakumbaliana na what I'm saying. So what I'm saying is when you have sentimentals, it's going to drive the market way high kushinda kama fundamentals zingine unaweza niambia ati PPI ya leo ndio itafanya gold ikuwe bearish the whole of the next month. Hapana, you can compare the sentimentals and easy fundamentals unapata hapa. So lakini ukiweza sikia like today United States they are going to buy gold in the next like 5 months, meaning gold itakuwa bullish. What are you going to do next? You're going to follow technically kutafuta more buyers on it. But today NFP nataka leo unaweza pata is going against the market on what is really doing today. So ukiniambia today I'm going to focus on and fundamentals, I just wait for that wave to pass and then I focus on technicals on where the market is, because also fundamentals they do really respect them technicals, and they just you can, and that's what tunasemanga, we use fundamentals analysis and technical analysis to make an informed decision. Hata ukipita barabara usemangi I depend on, you know, when you are crossing the road we normally look one side and then the other side, and then you can make a decision for either to close or not close. But you cannot decide, okay, I'll just look one side because this one is what determine whether I'm going to close. No, you check this side and then you check this side, then you can make a decision on what to close the road. That's my just few comments on fundamentals and technical analysis. So let me read through the comment. What were the hub? Yes, what was the hub? Yeah, I'm talking about. I do see those messages, even if maybe I'll not reply, even if I want to maybe just show you that, you know, empathy or everything. But I do see those comments on people texting me about the hub, and I do keep on warning about them. Yesterday, I didn't give any buyers on gold, but now you texting me and telling me, oh, I'm in a loss of this more than this amount of money on gold. How will I be able to help you? Honestly, and I didn't give any buyers on gold. I gave GJ and I gave USDCHF, which are the bears we were trading. Okay, sir, amazing live stream. Do you need customers eye catching them? No. I'm okay, thank you. Okay, I'm okay. This person who is spamming is mainly messages. Any buyers on GJ getting to 192.31 Amani token. Emmanuel Musa, I'm going to check and then I'll show you the buyers on GJ. Fundamentals drive the market. Eric Murungi. Okay. So guys, let me just check, conclude on this today, because today fundamentals days, and you know, for me, fundamentals, I will just better go outside and just spend my money. Okay. So let me show you on the comment. Someone is asking about GJ. So you're asking about whether GJ is going to get 192.31 or 92.31. Just a moment, I check for you. 192.31. Hapa hivi itafika, si 31 ni hapa 192.31. Yeah, just hold. If you are on GJ uko na hizo buys itakuja 192.31. Just itafika tu hapo, just be patient. Okay. So someone is okay. So today, Jojo, so today we can't take trades. If you are willing to trade the fund, you know, doesn't mean that I dictate your account or I dictate what you're going to do. The thing is, for me, fundamentals, you know, I don't really take. So I just check the market, and then I'm not ready to give any buyers on fundamentals. I'll just see on Monday morning analysis. That's when we are going to have a new buyers again on the market. Okay. So any question as we wind up, any trade you are holding, any question you have, any trade you're holding. And let nobody tells you. And the reason, let me give you a story before the story. The reason why I'm talking. So let me give you a story before you end. So we have more than 24 people. Uh, for me, sitting here and saying that I want to trade fundamentals is because of what I've seen in the market. I didn't join the forex market yesterday or last month or the other day. I've been in the market for long. So there's this one time, and I normally repeat these stories each and every time. There's these fundamentals. So I used to stay in my house, and then there's this my friend who used to visit me. We were just trading. We were trading. He used to visit me, but he was trying to join trading. So for him, he liked following some these Arabic people, or I don't know, they were from Pakistan. They used to go live stream. They were doing some live stream. So it was one of the days I had grown my account, a very good account, over 3,000. I remember, for me back then, I used to trade in form of JPYs. I remember it was 364,000 Kenyan shilling. 364,000 Kenyan shilling. So it was this one afternoon. It was on a Friday. You know, the way you set your principles as a trader, okay, I'm not going to trade fundamentals. I'm not going to, when it's come to NFP and CPIs, I'm going to sleep the whole day, or like just going and out and just do something else. So this day, I of course I had discipline. I stayed in the house, not checking the market, not opening my laptop. And then my friend came on time, right on time, around 3 p.m. because the news they were around 3:30. So this time he just came and opened the TV, and then he put some live stream there, and then he was like, "Okay, God is going to buy. God is going to buy." And then he made me to attempt. taking gold. You know, I have grown my account with so much work and hard work and growing it from maybe, I think I had grown that account from $100 to over $3,000 because 365,000 was more than $3,000. And he said God is going to buy. Okay, me, I just bought gold. And I'm telling you that account didn't last even more than an hour, 1 hour. It was more than $3,000. Since learning my hard experience with that, I just decided to stick to what I know and what I believe in myself because I lost my account of $3,000 with just I think 50 minutes or 45 minutes. By the time 45 minutes, only one within 45 minutes. But what if I could have decided now to stick to my analysis because when it's come to news, even if you don't know where to place your stop loss because there's so much liquidity and so much volume, mean the market is fluctuating, and then there's that hypertension, no, hyper panic in such a way because of the way market is moving very quickly, and when the market is moving very quickly, it's very difficult for you to be able to make very quick decisions. You know, you have to be very dynamic when it comes to trading because and you can be able to very quick and make decision. So my account would drawn and I blew it within I think 45 minutes. It was one of the most expensive. That's a very expensive stories I'm telling you. So I'm giving us a story worth $3,000. So those are very expensive stories and experience. And because I personally I trade my own money. And you know, guys, I don't just say, oh, not trade here, what all. You never see me, oh, account management, oh, bring at $10,000. I know my money you see on my account is my own money. And you'll never see me advertise today we have NFP, bring money, we trade for you, bring what I don't do such kind of things. So meaning I feel pain of my own money. So and that's why I do tell you that I'm feeling the pain of the same person who has $20 there, someone who has that $100. Just protect your capital and just stay away from the market. And just a simple experience and simple advice I would give anybody out there. So it's not worth it. So the only conclusion I would just give you is not worth your time. It's not worth your time. It's not worth your energy. Regardless of how, even if people show you today they made more than how much, the next time that thing, you know, it's like you have to stay disciplined in trading. And by staying disciplined is what you mean is by your words. Your actions speak more than what you say. You can say that I'm going to avoid NFP, and then later on after New Year's texting me, doctor, okay, account has gone. Oh, doctor, I traded NFP and I'm in such a drawdown. So what I call discipline is your action speaking more than what you say. So that's what we call discipline. So stay away from the market. And that's simple advice I would give you. So I can say Musa is saying just hold GJ, thanks for the insight. Yes, yes, yes. It's not your energy. Even if you're trying to flip that account, the thing is, if you're trading NFP, make sure you're trading the money you're worth to lose. I was not ready to lose the $3,000 at LS. So that was one of the experience I'll tell you. Yeah. So any question? Any question? BTC, UST, no view on BTC. So today we can trade. Yes, 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 yes. Do you think oil will sell for the next year based on the drill, baby drill, President Trump agenda? I also am looking forward for oil actually to drop because of sentimentals. Actually, let me tell you something. Some of the instruments they are driven majorly by sentimentals, and sentimentals it's like gold and cryptos and oil. Those things unapata, those are the things zinadriviwa na hizi sentimentals because if like oil there's a problem going on like you know in terms of mining you'll find oil is skyrocketing. If any investor they are happening to invest on gold in a buy to crazy like the way we have seen gold buying from February this year. Another thing is the same way, but now there's this even people tell me, oh, prime minister wanini market are reacting hivyo, even if the way you see Trump ameingia market unaona it will going to affect the market on a long term. You know, it's like a disease itaenda tu kinyonya iki affect the market like slowly. So you're going to see the structures za market zote akina Euro USD, akina GBP USD, akina gold zote hazita react once mara moja tuone oh leo zimeshuka mazifanya nini. The way Trump was elected the market as a president, the market will change pole because we have another 4 years. Market will change to pole kulingana na agenda zake. So unaona mtu ukisema ati wewe una react because now bado market ija react. Market ina react to pole kulingana na zile implementation zenye the president amekuja nazo. But doesn't mean so imeisha. Like now I know Trump is heavily influencing cryptos. So expect the next 4 years utapata kina Dogecoin itakuwa imefika $1. Sime kutoka 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 itafika like $1. So these things that are going to affect the market. Pole, 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 pole. So people who have lost money on news, just comment, because I know there are people who are beginners. They have joined my live stream today. Eric usidelete a comment, nitaiona tu. And just comment here so people can really know what I'm really talking is very true, because those people, they won't tell you. Maybe someone else won't let you know. Or those influencers who are forex and they pretend doing forex, but they not trading. They will tell you, okay, you know what, deposit is due, funga account na nini, eka pesa huku, kuja trade NFP and everything, of which the real thing, tell them to show you the, in trading, winning is not a winning one day ati umekuja umewin NFP leo peke yake. Winning is just like being profit is just a procedure in such a way. Tukichukua kitabu yako ya kujiona kama hii, utakutumia utuambie NFP ya siku fulani, I made this amount of money, NFP ingine I made money. Wakifanya hiyo hesabu wataona they are still not even making money out of this, just like a zero game, like in kama unaweka basket yenye namwaga tu maji, so it doesn't not worth your time. So if someone is telling you about these fundamentals and everything, if today they are okay, tomorrow they're not okay. So if you're trying to calculate profitability is not counted by making money in a single NFP. Profitability is counted in an overall, all the days of losses and the days of profit. That's when you find that, okay, when I do my calculation, I'm very positive. But if you do a calculation, you find yourself you're on the negative side, no, it's not worth your time. So I've seen Eric Alcomesama, I've lost a lot of money trading news. That's a very much of fact. I've seen even people losing more than 1M in just single 15 minutes. Very single 15 minutes. So it's very risky. Nasdaq achana kabisa. Bona Nasdaq. Which Rollins Kibul not trade Nasdaq na which broker? Dr. Forex, do me a lunch today. I would appreciate. So motivated. I'll join Forex officially in January. Just graduated. Okay, GJ ikifika kwa hiyo surprise zone itasell. No. Mary Waringa. No. I don't mean it itasell. Yeah, it happens. I have seen a friend of mine blowing $25,000 with 30 minutes during news. Thanks for your advice, bro. Yes. Nobody will tell you this. Hata 10 million utablow hivyo mara moja. I'm telling you, when I was that 3,000 yangu ikienda, I think I was not even reasoning. I don't think even I was in a position of even reasoning anything. Like umeikuwa yani unakaa tu yani, like your mind is like blocked too. News trading is gambling. I want to see, just comment, guys, just comment down there. Let people know. Let people know. So for me, do we need trading professional? And then I'm not trading mimi ati kesho unikose kwa trading, tufanye trading leo tugonge NFP ama nini, kesho unikose. So I'm in this thing doing it professional, and I'm doing it. I know this is what makes me money. So I don't want to risk my entire thing. The next December unipate Dr. Forex quiz hata Forex nini hii December kumekauka sana. No. So I advise you, because we made money yesterday, we made money on Tuesday, we made money on those days. Just stay away from those fundamentals. And before we wind up, I want you guys just to comment down below in the comment section. How is your experience with fundamentals? And note that we are having dinner nights on 14th of this month at Sokakasa Kileleshwa. The links, the tickets, you can buy them from Curations or my Instagram page. You or DM me when you want a ticket. So we'll be holding a dinner night that day. Just come and talk with people. And I would like that day you ask more about their experience with fundamentals, their experience with the market. There's a lot of things people don't tell you out here. You guys do joke with losing your 3,000. I don't mean someone else's money, your own money. Your own money, $3,000 is not a big joke. So event itaisha saa ngapi? It's still late. It ends at 4 p.m. The event will start 4 p.m. going, I think, till late night. And then the 2,000 will include your food and drink. So just show up. So there's food and there's drink, including the charges of the 2,000 you're paying. Yeah. Guys, more comments. I want to see your experience with news. If there is someone who have made money, let's just comment down how many have made this crazy money with trading. No, not trading. Of course, I made money with trading. I made this crazy money with fundamentals, coming trading fundamentals. Yeah. Hi, Charles. Charles Karuki is saying event. Okay, our news trading is gambling. Okay, I've read the comment. Okay, so guys, don't forget to hit that like button. We have 25 people live. Just hit that like button, and then we call it a day. So hit that like button as we read more and as we wind up on this live stream. It's only 1 week. Actually, it's 1 week remaining. So as we can, the invite is on when. Let me open the calendar. Okay, so let me share the screen. Will GJ continue buying? Yes, I'm looking for more buyers on GJ, but now the entry no entry hakuna. So the event will be on. You guys don't forget hit that like button. The event will be on 14th itakuwa siku gani? Or ni Saturday? I thought ni Friday. Oh, so the event is on Friday for Saturday. Saturday coming. Yeah, it's on Saturday. Okay. 14, 15. Okay. About these people who say news reversal. That one are very much okay. So if for trading news reversal is much okay because you have see the buyers. You already know the buyers of the market. You saw the market maybe touching a very vital area of a key area for you to be able to trade the reversal. For reversal, if you're trading a reversal, trading news reversal is just trading technically, meaning you're trading after the fundamentals they are released. I'm just saying about this trading news before, maybe it's around 329 and 330. How are you going to be able to say it's a buy or it's a sell? You know, that one I can really advocate for you. But for reversal, I'm very much okay. Scalping reversal, I'm much okay with that one. Yeah, much okay. So guys, we have 3 more likes. Hit that 3 more likes, and then we can call it a day. We have 19 likes so far. Yeah. So ISO for reversal is much okay. Reversal is okay. Actually, even me personally, I would even recommend you to trade maybe news after. Yeah, trade news after, not even before. Yeah. Any more comment? Anyone who has any comment? And also note that also we are doing giveaways for the tickets. So if you don't have ticket for the event, just DM me or DM Curie Trades. Tell how we are doing. You need a ticket. You just pay 50%, and then we pay for you 50% on that day for the event. Okay. And also, if you need a ticket, you can just comment down on the comment section, and then yeah, we give you the tickets. We have 18 likes, guys. Let's hit more than 20 likes. 2 more people, and then we call it a good. And also, any comment on the analysis we do, are we okay? We have more than 20 people there here. So, guys, 2 more likes, and also you can comment down below. How are the analysis we do? What should we improve on? Because we do normally do so many analysis. NFP, wrap the demo account. Okay, so guys, I want to see on the comment section, how are the analysis? How so far is the live stream? Because it is on Friday. Actually, let me just say nikaikai kidogo on the live stream. Let me engage with you and see how has been your experience on the how has been your experience on the analysis that I do on live on YouTube. So how is so far? How are the analysis? Uh, Are they benefit? Are they more insightful? What should we improve on? Where are we going wrong? I would like to know. I would like to know also. Just type on the comment section. Hata kama hujaandika comment, andika leo. Andika leo comment yako. Hey, these guys are not benefiting from this thing. Hey. Hii kitu ni kama tutaacha sasa. So Mashara is saying analysis are super. Again, a lot of in terms of what to look out for and where to place orders and where not to. Okay, Masharia. Anyways, benefiting from the live analysis, are they okay? Also, why not to improve? Just comment down. I'm very much open for any comment. So, Duncan Okumbuko hapa anasema Duncan have learned a lot. The analysis are very educative and helping. Okay. And also, guys, hata kama leo, the thing joining the analysis, you learn patient and patient because a lot of traders are to control their emotion and patient. Unapata kama leo mtu anaweza fanya impulsive decision, but ukikuja kwa hii community unalan leo hatufanyi kitu, enyewe hatufanyi kitu. You just control yourself, hatufanyi kitu, unaona? no pressing the trade, because napatanga mtu anasema anashindanga ku control their discipline form of trading, anashinda ki overtrade, because there are people who have that nature of overtrading. So this is the only way you can control it. Unafuata what we are saying, what we are doing today, we are doing, that's what we are doing, because this one is also naturally new in terms of psychology, because we are very calm. Yesterday we had only 2 setups and we are very much okay, and today we don't have an enter, we are very much okay. So that's what you nature on your discipline and also your psychology also, not only learning trading how to analyze, but also in form of psychology. And we appreciate you, doctor. It's been a fun so much. Don't stop, please. I have joined few weeks and I have seen fruit so far. Okay, very educated. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I think tumefika 20 likes, so tunaweza end the live stream, so I'll see you on Monday. I hope January will be very much okay. Nitakuja January, tutakuwa very okay in trading, tutakuwa tuna live stream every day. But I know this is now festive, to almost winding up the year na kufunga winding up the year. So thank you so much for joining. I'll come back maybe on next week on Monday, and then turn on the market again. Stay safe and stay disciplined. The thing today sitaambia goodbye. Today nitakwambia be disciplined. Be disciplined, be disciplined. That's what I will be saying. Bye bye.